All right, let's check back in with Lonnie Quinn now. Lonnie, I mean, boy, you've been busy. I don't even know how you're still standing.
No, look, it's been, look, we saw this coming. We were talking about this last weekend, right? And then Monday when I came into work, and I was following it over the weekend, last weekend, and then Monday all up to now. We've been right on top of this. The funny thing is, so often you'll find all the different guidance data coming in, and it's usually all over the place. There's been a pretty consistent run with this storm for a number of days now, and it's really played out as we expected. Taking a peek outside as of right now, it's just a light snow over Manhattan, 18 degrees, but, you know, look, that's cold enough by itself. You factor in those winds out there, over 25 miles per hour, feels like 3 degrees. All right, taking a look at the radar picture. Again, there's cloud cover on here as well, which is this milky color back here. The bright white shows you where the snow line is. I'll draw it for you. It's right there. All right, left of that line, all you have, clouds overhead, not anything else. You're not accumulating any more snow. A couple of flurries, perhaps. Most of it's upper level, really not coming down to the ground. The darker the color, the more significant the snow that is still falling out there. So let's go around the horn, because I haven't given too much love to my people well north up in Dutchess County and anywhere from Sharon, Connecticut right now over towards Dover, New York. There's a little band that just popped up for you guys. It's not the heaviest the storm has had to offer, but it's a moderately heavy band for you. You haven't had a lot of these. Well, you're catching one as of right now. Another one also, basically right on top of Danbury. There's the Putnam, Westchester line on top of 84. You're dealing with a little blast of snow there as well. We can go over to New Jersey because this is interesting. Passaic just sparked one. Anywhere from Wyckoff over towards Mahwah, stretching down towards Bloomfield, off to the west of Patterson, not Mahwah, Wyckoff to Patterson over towards Bloomfield, just to the west. On top of 80, it was on top of 280 earlier. It's kind of shrunk a little bit. And these are going to be fewer and far between as we go through the next hour or so for New Jersey, but winding down, but there's still some out there. The Jersey Shore, I actually was watching a pretty decent batch. Look at this, all right? Right on the shore at Neptune, there's a little blast of some heavy snow. Everything else is sort of like moderately heavy around the shoreline and really just some light snow elsewhere. Anywhere from Sandy Hook to Long Branch, Neptune, Seagirt, Wall, you still are dealing with it out there. Then we're going to go to where the jackpot's going to end up being, which will be the east end of Long Island. But if you notice this darker blue, all right? South Shore, Nassau County, stretching up towards Hempstead. Also seeing some out around Brookhaven, Fire Island. But it's really been the east end. And right now, that real bright blue has dissolved a bit. So much like anything, heavy rain leads to light rain. The heavier snow has tapered off a little bit. But from Montauk over to Amagansett, East Hampton, it's now down to just a moderate snow. But you had that band of some heavy snow. You're not done yet with the bands of heavy snow. That's still part of this equation. So when does it all end? I think this is the map that Matt and I have put together that we're using the most because it's what everybody wants to know. It tells you when your area is done and how much more snow from this point forward you're going to pick up. For the Jersey Shore, from now until about 4 p.m., everything ends. You pick up maybe, you know, anything from 0 to an inch. For New York City, it's now to about 5 p.m. Makes perfectly good sense, right? Queens, farther to the east than the Jersey Shore. So now to 5 p.m., you wrap up. You pick up maybe, you know, 0 to an inch as well. Fairfield County, 9 to about 7 p.m. Still making sense, right? Because, you know, Fairfield County, farther east than New York City. To about 7 p.m., you still have snow falling. Maybe you pick up another inch or two. And then Long Island, you've got from 5 p.m. until 9 p.m. I know, Carolyn, you were just saying maybe 7 or 8. I think it's more like 9, maybe even 10 for the last snowflakes. I'm talking just the last flakes. But you could see maybe 2 to 5 inches of additional snow on top of what you've already had. All right, here we go, guys. The big number will be 1.5 feet or more, and we've already verified it for portions of the east end of Long Island, also for portions of the Jersey Shore. Lots of areas in this pink with 10 to 18 inches. The city, portions of the city have already gone into the 10 to 18-inch range. You know, western portions of the city, you're in that 4 to 10, and we thought that's what it was going to be. We thought New York City would be the dividing line, and sure enough, that's how it has played out. 2 to 4 inches, you go well north and west. Blizzard warnings remain in effect until 7 p.m. for the Jersey Shore, also for the east end of Long Island. Winter storm warnings, that area shaded in pink, also until about 7 p.m. You're waking up to cold air tomorrow. It's only 13 degrees in the city. Lots of single digits out there. Feeling like negative numbers tomorrow morning with the winds. They're still blowing, not as strong. 27 degrees will be your high temperature tomorrow, so the snow is not melting. All right, the sun comes out. It's not, like I said, it's not that bluebird sky with no clouds at all, but you got a couple of clouds there. Overall, a brighter day. And here is your 7-day forecast. 27 on Sunday. We just talked about that. You're 33 on Monday, 40 on Tuesday. Groundhog Day is 46. It's mild out there, and 52 with some rain on Thursday. Guys, it's been a pleasure working with you. It's all yours.
Same here. We'll see you back here at 6, Lonnie.
Yep.
Thank you.
Great job, Lonnie.
We'll have much more winter storm coverage on our website, cbsnewyork.com. Join us back here at 6. Thanks for watching. I'm Jessica Moore.
And I'm Dick Brennan. Stay safe and stay warm.